Hi everyone, welcome to Sensing Live Show. I'm the host Kiki. In the previous program, we have introduced the Modular Din devices. After that, we received lots of comments from audience saying they want to learn how to install these devices. So we are here. Our engineer, Mr. Song, will do the demonstration. Hi, Mr. Song, welcome.
Hi, hello.
Song, is everything okay right now?
Okay.
Please go ahead.
We choose the series 71 to do the demonstration, including B71G, L71, and B71.
Why do we choose this model?
As it is our latest types and has got vast praise from customers on its appearance and performance.
Yeah, it is. These travel devices make me comfortable. So, what are we going to do now?
Well, fixing the consumer unit on the wall, this is the first step.
As we can see, this is a service mount type. The enclosure will be fixed on the wall. Besides this, we have another flush mount type, which will be embedded in the wall. Okay, then let's wait a minute. This is very easy and simple. Quickly. Now we need to fix these devices on the email. But which one should come first?
Normally, we will install devices in sequence from main switch, isolator, RCD, and then MCB.
Yeah. Mr. Song is fixing the isolator and then the RCD. And then there are 4 pieces of MCBs. Okay, finished. Now Mr. Song will connect the neutral wires. Please.
Okay, now we will connect the cables. First, run the neutral wire from the bottom of the isolator to the top of RCD, and then connect the neutral wire from the bottom of RCD to the neutral bar. First, from the bottom of the isolator to the top of RCD, and then connect the neutral wire from the bottom of the RCD to the neutral bar. Now the neutral wires finished, then the live wires. First, running the live wire from the bottom of the isolator to the top of RCD, and then connect with bus bar.
Yeah, but as I know, there are two terminals on the top of the RCD. How can I distinguish which one is for the neutral wire and which one is for the live wires?
Good question. You can see there is a letter N on the left side of the RCD, which means to connect the neutral wire. So the other is for the live wire, and you must remember that it can be reversed.
Yeah, it is. We need to be very cautious here as it is related to our security.
Okay, the neutral wires and live wires are connected well now. Then we need to feed the bus bar to the MCB and RCD.
So, is the cable is the only choice, or we can use cable here?
The bus bar is not the only choice. Cable is okay, they have the same function, but the bus bar is more convenient, much easier to connect, and the consumer unit will be editor.
Okay, got it. Now the installation and the wiring are finished. So, but how can we know whether these devices are connected correctly or not?
Here, we need to use smart meter to test the connection.
I think you have heard the voice here. It seems our connection is correct. So, I have noticed that there is a bubble here. Why don't we test the circuit with it?
Okay, then let's test the circuit by connecting the bulb.
Okay. Now Mr. Song is connecting the power wire and the load wire. Let's wait for the magical. Now, Mr. Song is fixing the cover. Okay, please connect the power now. Wow, the bubble is on. Good job, Mr. Song. Well done.
One more thing, remember to test your LCD by pressing the button every month to ensure it works well.
Song, thank you for your kind reminding and professional display. Hi audience, today's program is coming to the end. If you guys have any questions about our installation, please leave us a message. Our guys will give professional answers within 24 hours. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Bye.